أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
إن الله يأمر بالعدل والإحسان وإيتاء ذي القربى وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي يعظكم لعلكم تذكرون.
Allah commands justice, and goodness, and generosity towards relatives. And He forbids immorality, and injustice, and oppression. He advises you, so that you may take heed.
وأوفوا بعهد الله إذا عاهدتم ولا تنقضوا الأيمان بعد توقيدها وقد جعلتم الله عليكم كفيلا إن الله يعلم ما تفعلون.
Fulfill Allah's covenant when you make a covenant, and do not break your oaths after ratifying them. You have made Allah your guarantor, and Allah knows what you do.
ولا تكونوا كالتي نقضت غزلها من بعد قوة أنكاثا تتخذون أيمانكم دخلا بينكم أن تكون أمة هي أربى من أمة إنما يبلوكم الله به وليبينن لكم يوم القيامة ما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
And do not be like her who unravels her yarn, breaking it into pieces, after she has spun it strongly. Nor use your oaths as means of deception among you, because one community is more prosperous than another. Allah is testing you thereby. On the day of resurrection, He will make clear to you everything you had disputed about.
ولو شاء الله لجعلكم أمة واحدة ولكن يضل من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء ولتسألن عما كنتم تعملون.
Had Allah willed, He would have made you one congregation, but He leaves astray whom He wills, and He guides whom He wills. And you will surely be questioned about what you used to do.